In the food service business, nothing is more complex, challenging, and stressful than running a large banquet operation. Preparing, plating, and serving hundreds of hot, high-quality meals using traditional methods demands extensive planning, split-second timing, and an army of culinary workers.
When you do it the old-fashioned way, you try to plate it hot, you try to cook it at the last moment, and you try to dish it at the last moment, putting it in that other kind of a hot holding cabinet that really, all it is good hot air, and it really destroyed the food over a period of time.
Alto-Shaam has changed all that by combining the versatility of its Combitherm oven steamer with the safety of a quick chiller, the convenience of companion holding cabinets, and the efficiency of roll-in racks. Alto-Shaam has created the only fully integrated and infinitely expandable banqueting solution. And because all components in Alto-Shaam's rack-managed banquet system are compatible, additional equipment can be added whenever more capacity is needed. Whether it's a banquet for 200 or 6,000, Alto-Shaam has a solution.
All of the manufacturers, Lang and Rational and Groen and others, had some very good equipment. But I couldn't have then rolled my rack from the oven to the quick chill to the companion warmer. It wouldn't have worked. And I don't like dealing with one piece of equipment from one manufacturer and two other manufacturers also involved. If you do have a repair problem, that's a nightmare. And so I wanted to find a company that could produce all of the equipment that we needed.
With the Alto-Shaam system, food preparation can begin days in advance and be scheduled during times when chefs and other culinary workers are available. No longer does the quality of service in other food venues suffer because of the high labor demands of a single banquet function.
I can't afford to pull these people away from their other activities. It's that simple. And so now I don't have to.
Alto-Shaam's banquet solution begins in the food prep area, where pans of raw ingredients are prepared and loaded onto Alto-Shaam bulk food roll-in racks. These racks are then rolled directly into the Alto-Shaam Combitherm. With the Combitherm's temperature sensing probes and pre-programmable cooking methods, even unskilled help can steam, bake, roast, or poach virtually any food item with the push of a single button.
They don't have to worry about whether it's rethermalization, whether it's convection, whether it's steam, whether it's combination of both. It's already programmed into the oven. All they have to do is dial it up.
Within minutes, up to 60% faster than traditional cooking methods, the food emerges from the Combitherm cooked to perfection. And without further handling or risk of cross-contamination, the entire rack of cooked product is rolled directly into the Alto-Shaam quick chiller. Again, Alto-Shaam's system of temperature probes and auto-programming ensures the food is chilled rapidly and safely. Still on the roll-in rack, the chilled product can then be safely stored in a walk-in cooler for up to 5 days. With Alto-Shaam's banquet solution, even the typically frantic and labor-intensive process of plating hundreds of hot meals minutes before service is a thing of the past. Cooked and chilled food items can be pre-plated days in advance.
And I can do this whenever I want. I can do it when I have time. I can do it when I have staffing available. I can plate 100 meals in an hour by using a dishwasher who's learned to do this.
After plating, the still-chilled meals are loaded onto Alto-Shaam's roll-in plate trolleys, covered, and returned to the walk-in until they are needed. On the day of the banquet, 1 to 2 hours before service time, the trolleys of plated meals are removed from the walk-in. After allowing the cart and plates to temper for 15 to 30 minutes, they are rolled into the Combitherm for rethermalization. In only 12 to 15 minutes, a single Combitherm can rethermalize as many as 114 plates of food to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. And with the Alto-Shaam's carefully controlled rethermalization process, food is reheated to serving temperature while still maintaining its original moisture content. After rethermalization, plated meals are rolled into Alto-Shaam companion holding cabinets and the entire cabinet rolled to the banquet staging area. And because these holding cabinets employ Alto-Shaam's exclusive Halo Heat technology, the meals can be held at proper food-safe temperatures for as long as 2 hours without any loss of quality.
My productivity as far as doing a banquet for 200 has probably really increased several 100%. I might need 3 people to serve it because we're going to garnish it. We're going to put the sauce on fresh, but that's the only place where I probably need even 3 people. I can do it with 2 people, even up to 300 without a problem. We can keep people very productive and do the things that need to be done. Works very well.